I'm sure it really wants to go into a yogurt cup. This is the best moment of my life.
Yeah, you just did something, I can smell it.
My glass is stuck in a yogurt. Okay, so we'll go put it with the mom. The other two, that stinks real bad. Just leave the yogurt container. It'll just go over and put it in the grass. Just leave the yogurt container. It can have it. Just set it down. It's close enough. It'll figure it out, dude. You know, that big one will spray you. Is it alive?
Yeah. Yeah. Still got his little tail up still.
Bye, skunk. Bye, skunk.